Hi, this video explains how to boot CentOS Linux 7 installation using Anaconda and how to install CentOS Linux 7 RC version. I'm going to boot system and install it over the internet using netboot method, and I'm going to use VirtualBox for demonstration purpose. First, choose install CentOS 7. You need to wait for some time. Linux is booting and now it's starting installer. What language would you like to use during installation? I'm going with English. This is unstable pre-release software. Yes, I want to install this unstable software. Okay, now first you need to set up network. Just click on network and hostname. Turn it on Ethernet connection, and I'm going to type hostname here, CentOS-7-RC. Done. Click on done. Next you need to set up installation source. This is only required for RC, CentOS 7 RC software. You do not need to set a mirror list for final version. So it's buildlogs.centos.org, this complete URL, and click on done. This is, again I repeat, this is only required for pre-release software. This is not required for final release. Okay, then it's downloading package metadata. Then you need to select the device to install CentOS 7. These are different storage options. Okay, now I need to set up software selection. Just click on software selection. So it's divided into two groups, base environment and add-ons for selected base environment. So we have Genome Desktop, then KDE Desktop, then basic web server, file and print server, infrastructure server, server with GUI, and different options. I'm going with Genome Desktop, and you can select backup client, various application, internet applications, office suites, smart card support, and so on. Just click on done button. Okay, now it's checking for software dependencies. Okay, now I can click on begin installation button. Now I need to set root account password. You need to enter a password for root user 2 times. Done. Click on done button. Then you need to create one more user. I'm going to make this user administrator, and again type password 2 times. You can check for advanced user options. Okay, save changes and click on done button. Okay, starting package installation process, and it started. Now total 1241 packages are there and it's installing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip this package installation procedure, and I'm going to jump to final few seconds of installation now. Okay, so now we are almost done here installing last package. Remember, I'm fetching from the internet, so this may take some time. Okay, now it's performing post installation set up task on my system, and now it's installing bootloader, creating final kernel images, and within few seconds I should get final confirmation message on screen. Still generating images, compressed images required to boot this system. Okay, it's running post installation script. Centos is now successfully installed on your system and ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot to start using it. So I'm gonna press reboot button. Alright, booting CentOS 7. Okay, I need to accept license. I accept the license agreement. Click on done button. Alright, and click on forward. Okay, kdump is a kernel crash dumping program. I do not need kdump, so I'm gonna disable kdump. Alright, and I need to reboot the system. The system must now reboot for some of your selection to take effect. Okay, now I'm booting CentOS Linux desktop for the first time. CentOS Linux 7 server desktop. Okay, click on the username, enter password. Okay, so this is default welcome screen. Okay, English, next. Input source again English, next. I can connect to various cloud-based account like Gmail. Okay, start using CentOS Linux server. By default it will open genome help on screen. I'm just going to close this. Now let's take a quick tour of CentOS. So this is my home folder. I can browse the network, or I can connect to server using SMB protocol or FTP protocol. Okay, I'm gonna open setting and I'm gonna change background. I'm gonna set up a new background. Click on select and go back. Okay, let's find out network settings. Okay, wired connection is turned on. I can add additional network connections like VPN, bridging, VLAN, etc. Click on details to get details about system. Okay, so this is CentOS Linux Server 7. Don't worry, that broken will go in final release. This is my CPU, and let's close this and I'll open the terminal application. I'm going to open the terminal application. These are different software installed by default. Let's see first the system monitor. So processes are there, resources I'm using around 500 memory. This is my file system, and go on application. Okay, here is the terminal application. So I'm simply going to run few commands like ls cpu to list CPU. Then I'm going to list free unused memory. Then top command, and one more command I'm going to run. I'm going to run df command to see. Okay, file system, my default is ext4, and you can set. Okay, let's find out kernel version. So I'm using Linux kernel version 3.10. Okay, so I'm gonna shut down this demo by issuing shutdown command. I hope you enjoyed this demo.